everyone, good morning. Another warm one by the looks of it today, another scorcher look. I can't see what you're looking at because the screen, well, the screen's a bit dirty and I can't see because of the sun as well, which is typical. Oh, we've got Tina there.
Morning.
Don't worry about that bit of the tent you can see just here. That's where the tarp comes down from the top here, above my head, and it comes down. I've just tied it to the guide rope here, which you can just see a green one hanging down. No, so obviously that's just leaning on the roof of the tent.
Bring your balls out.
It's fine. There's not much pressure as it looks. It looks like it's what?
You end up pouring too much in.
But it's not too much pressure on there. I've checked, so it doesn't go through the roof. It is quite slack, it just looks it, because as it's pulling down onto there, it's just pulling on the side of the top of the tent a little bit. Plans for today? Plans for today, we're going to a farm. And it's going to be a scorcher, which is typical.
Yeah, it's just having a phone.
So, just having a cup of tea, been up a bit now. I mean, I was the last one up this morning. It's 9:30 now. What time get up? 8 o'clock?
Something like that.
Last one up, but then again, that's what happens when you ain't had much sleep for 2 nights on the trot, because night before that I was unwell. Not last night before. I kept needing to go for a pee. So yeah, I had a decent night last night.
Oh, ow.
You're sticking to the chair again?
Look.
Oh no. She's sticking to the chair. I don't know what you can see.
Marks on my legs.
Yeah, I've been digging this bit on the chair here. Has been digging into a leg.
I'm having my breakfast now.
Oh, you know.
Are they nice?
What?
What cereal?
Yeah.
It's cocoa rice. Well, just like Cocoa Pops. Well, it is Cocoa Pops. Is that the Cocoa Pops or Cocoa Rice?
Cocoa Rice.
So, so the little box is all gone now then?
Well, there's one left.
Oh, okay.
There's just Rice Krispies.
They're just basically Rice Krispies, but it's the same thing. Anyone shop at Aldi? Anyone on here shop at Aldi? That basically Cocoa Rice, Aldi's one. They call it it's Cocoa Rice, but it's Cocoa Pops. It tastes exactly the same, doesn't it? Well, I think it does anyway. Same texture and everything.
Harvey, where are you sat?
He sat near the green table.
Oh, is he?
At the green table.
Yeah, at the green table.
Right. So yeah, it looks like it's going to be a nice day. Might go and say hello to them campers later on that are just over there. Hello to you all if you can watch us and see us. Wave until you look. And sadly, 6 on a bus are going today as well. So obviously we're going to nip over there before they go, because obviously we're going out. So by the time we get back, they'll be gone, because Comrade is gone to work for this morning, and then they're leaving this afternoon, so we're going out. So before we shoot, we'll shoot over there, say bye to them. They've had a good stay though. They've had a while, haven't they? They come Thursday last week, and it's Friday today, so
Week on Monday.
Yeah, so oh well, gets them about if they don't need to use the bus, innit? Oh, he come Thursday and he went the Monday night, was it?
I think so.
Yeah. So yeah, we're not doing nothing now. We're just gonna have this cuppa. I'm gonna get changed, put like something white on so it's not as hot. Put a white top on or something, if it isn't stained from where I spilt my dinner down it, which is always the case. I wear white, and literally I spill dinner down it all the time. Wear black and I hardly spill anything down it. But I don't want to be wearing black when it's going to be 26 degree with hardly any wind as well. There is a little bit of wind this morning, but not a lot, so I just have to think what it'll be like later. But anyway, we're just sat in the shade as much as we can, but it's coming around this way now, isn't it?
Yeah.
You can see it on my legs, look. A bit of shade here and in the sun. So yeah.
Put me food in dry last night.
Yeah, I know. Thinking, what were we doing?
I was showering kids.
Oh yeah, showering the kids. She got drenched. She may as well have been in it with them. But yeah, so we weren't meant to rain, wasn't it, either last night? So thinking, obviously, me and Tina walked over to the laundry because she shoved it in the tumble dryer for half an hour. And obviously we just left the chairs outside, so we were standing there, it just poured down, didn't it, out of nowhere. So all the chairs and that got wet as well. I was like, oh, no way. But I'm going to have a fire tonight, I think, because I need to get rid of this wood. Because I don't want to be...
people coming, haven't they?
Yeah, we've got some people that we met over the festival coming again today. Well, actually, a few, haven't we? We've got Barry and Joe are turning up, so we'll have to go and say hello to them.
Eddie and Rachel, I don't know if the rest of them are coming.
Eddie and Rachel, if you're watching, hello, see you soon. And I'm not sure if you said if any of the others are coming, so... But we'll see you all later on. It's going to be a busy one, because I want to go and see these new campers come over here, and plus I want to see if the horses are there, because I haven't filmed the horses yet. Been here all this time and twice. Second time being here, and still haven't got the horses yet. So, yeah, go over there, see them. Go and see Barry and Joe for a bit. So, last weekend, make the most of it, eh? Go and see everyone before we go. Because don't know when we're going to see them again, because we ain't going to be back to Willow Fields now after this till next year. So, yeah, I'm not going to jabber on no more. I've been jabbering for 8 minutes, and you're going to get bored.
My dad don't want to go home.
No, none of us do. Don't want to go home. Back to brick. Back to bricks and water. Oh God. Oh well. Anyway, catch you all in a bit. Ta-da. Here we are again. Got the entrance here. You can see the brick barn there. You just drive around this drive and park here, which you can see ours there. So yeah, Shepherd's Farm in Haxey. Great little place for a few hours to get kids out. Obviously the animals are just there, we're going there in a minute, and then obviously you can just see through there a big play area. So we'll catch you when we're booked in. Oh, that was interesting. So how much was that for us for, just so I can let them know? 23 quid. The lady on reception said it's just been taken over by new ownership, and they've got big plans coming for this place. They're expanding, having a lot of bar, garden centre. All this is staying as it is, but they might do a better work. So yeah, it's under new management. So this is going to be interesting. So when we come back next year, it might all be changed, because that's what she said. When we come back next year, it might be all changed. So be interested. We'll definitely have to come back. So see if there's what's going on here now. Probably the same as the last one you've seen when we come here last time. But yeah, interesting. Be good to see what happens after that as well. It's a nice little place like this. Ain't the only little place in Haxey, just outside of Doncaster, but obviously they're expanding. So I'll keep our eye open on that and see what happens. Oh, fly. So it'll be interesting, won't it? So we'll have to come back next year, because I said we won't be back till next year, so it'll all be changed then. So we're at the donkeys now, so I'll show you the donkeys. Here we go, got a little donkey here. Hello. Oh. Yeah, it's warm now, isn't it? It's warm. Here you go. Oh, yo.
No, you can't have this.
Wow. Come on. Come on. They're gorgeous, isn't they?
This is too heavy, Mum.
Look at this, the following Tina, look, right next to her, look. Yeah, I'll have a donkey. Shall we take a donkey home? Here, before you turn round and face it, I'll get a picture. Harvey, Harvey, come here. Andrew, you need to move a bit so I can get the donkeys in. Hang on, stay there. Hello. Yeah, smile.
Cheese.
That's my bag.
A little brown one here. Hello. Hello.
He's a big one, isn't he?
Look at the ears on. Massive ears. What's he doing? What's he doing? Hello. Bless.
Look, it's a mountain.
No, too warm for you, innit, mate? It's a warm day today. Lovely donkeys.
I don't know how old they are.
Obviously, well, there's no one here as well. You've got a little play park here for the kids. Picnic benches just over here. A bounce pillow and a zip line.
Yeah, I want that.
So there's plenty for the kids to do. We'll get the kids on them anyway in a bit, because we're going to obviously sit down and have something to eat soon. Have a wander round.
Oh, the names are Dom and Jake.
Oh, is it? Dom and Jake. So the white one with Dom that you've seen, the grey one, and Jake is the brown one. So they roam this part as well here, they come through here.
What's this?
Watch him come over now. I've just seen him walk behind that barn there. See if he comes round here. Watch him now. I bet he's gone over there. Yeah, I think so. Right, let's go and have a wander. Oh, we've got some alpacas here. Look at him sticking his head over. He's after some, look.
She brought goat and sheep twice.
I don't know.
I'm sure I fed them last time.
Yeah, I think he did. And looking as well, Andrew.
But there's goat and sheep twice.
Yeah. And Harvey, do you want to get in the camera in front of these? I'll get a picture. Don't go right in front of them now.
To the till and say to her you brought goat and sheep.
No, well, just work out what it is.
I can't.
And then look, got the sheep. Look at them. Hello. Hiya. Look at them all. Yeah. What? I ain't got nowhere a minute. Haven't got nothing at minute. Hello. Think goes, I ain't got anything yet. Look at them. Hello.
Oh, pigs will come out now.
Have they? Right, I'm not sure where we're up to at the minute because my phone just decided to cut off and I just realised I think memory card's full, so I'm having to record it now and save. Gonna have to save through the phone. It won't matter, I've got plenty of memory. So we got the alpacas here.
Hello, Mr. Alpha.
Look at them, all rearing. Look at them. Hello.
I'll have to chuck it.
Why? Just pass them in. They'll take it out your hand.
Fighting.
Get that on camera with Tina. Oh, both at it, like in your hand, look.
Coming to you.
Hello. Yeah, come in this side, see if you can get others. No, just put your hand down. They're fine like that. Getting flies all over my legs.
I just spat at him instead.
Ew. Oh my god.
Oh. These two are fighting. Hello, what? Hello.
Oh, you haven't had one yet, have you?
He threw a spit at me. He threw a spit at me. There's one that's been in my eye.
Yeah, if you get close, I'll get a picture.
He threw a spit at me.
No, I won't. Yeah, I'll look at the camera now.
Cheese.
Cheese. Harvey, you're not in camera.
Chicken on me.
There's flies. Take, yeah, look, cheese.
Cheese.
There we go. Oh, what's up with you? Keeps having a go at this one. Anyway, and then we had the pigs are out, look, over here. They weren't out a second ago, but they are now, look. Got a couple of pigs over there, look. Must be a bit warm for them, like. Hello. We'll go over and see them more. We're walking round anyway.
Mr. Piggy.
Got a little sheep over there, look. So I apologise if we've lost any clips there because I was videoing, it cut off on me, so I'm going to just record back where we was from here and go back to the sheep. Even though you might have already just seen them, we'll see them again just in case I've lost the clip. Hello. You're in. Hello. In the camera, hello. You're gorgeous, isn't they? Chuck some over there.
Yeah, I have, but you get some and I'll get some because that one can't get any with that one being there.
Here you go. You got some there, let's see, look.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, I've got my hands full.
Fighting over the food, bless them. Look.
I'll do some more in a bit. Go and have a look. Oh, it's warm.
Oh, look. Paddock's been re-grassed, ready for lambs. Oh. Oh, got a picture of the thingy there instead. Yeah. Bless him. Got some little white ducks here as well. That water could do with cleaning. Like, I don't know what that is over there though. Zoom that in, see if you can see it. See it there?
Go.
They're coming, look, they're all green. That water could do with cleaning. And then here we've got some goats. And just come down this little bit from there, from the walking trail. This one's want some already, look. Hello.
I'll just put it on the
Hello.
What's this here?
Hello. Oh, you slide in.
Play area.
Yeah. Put some in my hand.
Hello.
I got a slide there. I don't know. I got a slide.
No, I got climbing frame though.
Look at that. You know the wheel.
What? Ain't got none of that.
There's that wheel there. There's 2 wheels there.
Bless them.
There.
Lovely goats, aren't they?
Right, I need to go wash my hands.
Shush. Shush. Bless them. We'll come back in a bit anyway. We're going to grab something to eat now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Wash our hands and grab something to eat.
Was it?